Greetings of the day. Today is a day to remember, a day to celebrate, a day to hold our hands high to say, yes, we have, yes, we can, do even better and make everyone proud. Good morning. I, Miss Neha Jain, and my co host
Ms. Shweta Gangwani.
welcome you all to Anugunj, the annual prize distribution ceremony and cultural show of Primary Wing. Before we begin, I would like to request you all to keep yourselves on mute mode during the program. We are honored to welcome our esteemed guest, singer Shri Madhur Dhik. He is a classically trained singer with a very strong command on Hindi, English, and Punjabi language. From being awarded as the best singer for Haryana, he has participated in the Voice India Season 2 and has been the finalist for the show. He can also be heard on all the music platforms. This is Ghana, Wing, iTunes, etc. and on the Radio City station as he is the voice behind most of the jingles played on. Let's watch his musical journey.
किस्मत को है ये मंजूर
करते क्या है?
सर मैं लॉ कर रहा हूँ
ऐसे सुरीले लॉयर से तो सब बचे रहो। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि तुम यहाँ पर आए और हमारा को इतना खूबसूरत गाना सुनने का मौका मिला। आई लव हियरिंग इट।
थैंक यू सो मच सर
It's like somewhere a dream come true. इतना बड़ा स्टेज ऊपर से everybody is looking at you.
It was magnificent. Welcome, sir. We are honored to be a part of the dream envisioned by our beloved and respected President, Shanti Devi Progressive Education Society, Shri Bikramjit Ahluwalia, who has invested his life in the past, present, and future of the school. We are privileged to work under the able guidance of our chairman, Mr. Vikas Ahluwalia, a visionary with a profound sense of responsibility. Mr. Vikas Ahluwalia has shown exemplary leadership qualities. He never compromises on quality and extends support with compassion and understanding. We extend a warm welcome to Director Elcon Schools, Dr. Ashok Pandey. His valiant vision, backed by strong determination, brought him all the way where he is today. His work in the field of education and SDGs needs a special mention. Adding feathers in his cap, Dr. Pandey has been featured amongst the top 100 great people manager in Forbes India magazine. And he will also receive the Exceptional Leader Award by Education World India School. Welcome, sir. We take this opportunity to welcome Principal Elcon International School, Mr. Sanjay Yadav, Manager Elcon Schools, Mr. P.K. Bhatnagar, Principal Elcon Public School, Dr. Deepak Raj Singh Bisht, who has taken the school to even greater heights. Administrative Officer, Mr. Vikram Rawat, all section heads of Elcon International and Elcon Public School, esteemed guests and respected parents. Your presence will be a source of delight and inspiration to our young children.
Elcon Public School is a distinct milestone in the field of education since its inception in 1988. It has aimed to develop self-awareness, academic excellence, and a global perspective in its students. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Bikramjit Ahluwalia, Elcon is one of the topmost schools in Delhi NCR. And now, with Mr. Vikas Ahluwalia as the chairman, the school has witnessed technological advancement in the field of academic administration and other related spheres of school setup. We hope to achieve even greater heights and laurels in the years to come. This day holds a special place in our hearts as children get an opportunity to display their talents and prove their caliber. Following the Elcon tradition, we begin the proceedings of the day by lighting of the auspicious lamp and Saraswati Vandana to invoke the blessings of Ma Saraswati and to provide guidance and remove obstacles in all our future endeavors. Truly divine. Saraswati Vandana was prepared by Ms. Deepa Mishra. Now, I request our principal, Dr. Bisht, to present the annual school report.
Thank you, Ms. Sweta. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of each and every member of Elcon family, I am extremely delighted to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Madhur Dhir, to the annual prize distribution ceremony and cultural show, Anugunj 2021. A warm welcome to our director, Dr. Ashok Pandey, Principal, Elcon International School, Sri Sanjay Yadav, HMs, administrative officers, colleagues from both the Elcon schools, proud parents of our dear students, and beloved students. Your presence is a source of motivation for all of us. So thank you everyone for sparing your valuable time to be with us this morning. I would like to present before you the glimpses of our achievements during the year. So there are different categories. I'll be touching upon the school achievements first. The Elcon Public School has been recognized as one of the top 25 schools in India by Leading Schools of India magazine. APS is ranked #1 in Delhi and Delhi NCR and #4 in India for STEM education excellence by Education World India School Ranking. APS has also been recognized as Fit India School by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Our staff achievements, as already Ms. Neha spoke about, our director, Dr. Ashok Pandey, he has been featured amongst the top 100 great people managers in Forbes India magazine. He has also been nominated for the Exceptional Leader Award by Education World. Indeed, a proud moment for all of us to have or to work under such a dynamic leader. I have been given the title of Exemplary COVID-19 Pandemic Edu Leader by Education World. So today I dedicate this title to all the Elcon family members. Our English teacher, Ms. Jyoti Nautiyal, she received the Indian School Award 2021 for her contribution to education community. 8 of our teachers were awarded as COVID warriors by IIHM for their exemplary services in the field of education during the pandemic. Now coming to academics. Academics are our topmost priority, and Elcon is known for its academic reputation. Living up to our reputation, even during the pandemic, our students did well. So some of the noteworthy achievements are, in class 12 CBSE board, the batch average was 88.2%. Abhyudata Jha from science stream made history and topped the batch with 99% aggregate marks. Shreya Rawat topped commerce stream by securing 98.6%, and Asmita Sharma topped humanities by scoring 97.4%. I'm delighted to share that 65 students secured 95% and above aggregate marks, and 147 students scored over 90% and aggregate marks. 14 of our students scored a perfect 100% in various subjects. In class 10th board, Vidhi Gupta topped with aggregate 98.4%, Riddhi Kulsreshtha and Ansuman Saini with 98% aggregate marks shared the second rank, while Nisika Pillai with 97% secured third rank. I'm delighted to share that 28 students secured 95% and above aggregate marks, and 60 students secured 90% and above aggregate marks, and 4 students secured perfect 100% marks in mathematics. I'm also delighted to share that 4 of our students were qualified in the NEET 2021, and 10 students cracked the IIT JEE 2021. 4 of our students, namely Ahant Kumar, Aditya Goyal, Somil, and Arushi Jindal of class 10th qualified Mukhyamantri Vigyan Pratibha Pariksha 21. 3 of our students, namely Aditya Agarwal, Avisi Rohela, and Anvesha Bansal, have been selected for Inspire Award Manak scheme, a flagship program of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and each one received an award money of rupees 10,000. Ans Vasne of class 12 cleared the National Talent Search Examination Stage 2 conducted by NCRT. Riya Singh and Priya Singh have received a scholarship from the government of NCT, Delhi, under the scheme Play and Progress. They have received rupees 2,90,000 each from Deputy CM and Education Minister of Delhi. We as a school promote internationalism in our curriculum and encourage our students to take part in various international events. I'm delighted to share some of the noteworthy achievements. Our team, comprised of Aditi Jain, Gauri Gupta, and Ms. Josna Tyagi, emerged as the international winners amongst schools across South Asia in the prestigious Study Australia video competition organized by Australian Trade and Investment Commission. They created a video on the theme, Responsible Young Innovators and Entrepreneurs. How can the community benefit from your great ideas? Each team member received a mini Apple iPad as a token of appreciation. Around 28 students from class 5 to 12 participated in the Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition 2021, organized by Royal Commonwealth Society, England. 2 students, namely Sambhavi, class 7, and Arfa Khan, class 6th, received Gold Award. Alisha Gimi, class 12th, received Silver, and 7 other students received Bronze Awards. Our school team, the Cosmic Emigrants, won the Judges' Choice Award in the prestigious NASA Space App Challenge 2020. From a pool of 154 applications, Aditi Jain was selected as the runners-up for YY Global Team Hero India for her contribution in the field of entrepreneurship. She also won laurels for the school by being in the top 15 students in the 8-year Thinkerpreneur Bootcamp 2021. Our students have also brought laurels in co-curricular activities. Dipanshu, our head boy, has represented Alcon at various international and national platforms. He's been the first runner-up in Atira University Accelerated the Future Challenge for his innovative solutions using post offices to achieve vaccination in India. He was also the first runner-up in the International Journalist Award by Jagran University, first runner-up in Kala Utsav state-level Kathak dance. Dipanshu and Aditya Malhotra of class 12 secured first position in the Youth Summit for Sustainable India. Ahant Kumar of class 9 got gold medal in the state level and qualified for nationals in online road safety quiz competition organized by Delhi Traffic Police. Ahimoy Basu of class 9 is a published author, Molten Gold 21, Gilded Short Stories. Dhwani Goyal of class 9th was declared Best Speaker on the Constitution Day celebrations organized by Sansad Ratna Award Committee and Next Generation Political Leaders. Bhavya Mahajan of class 7th secured second rank in socio-emotional skills category at state level. Adya of class 5 won bronze medal in level 7 of Mind Matrix competition. Swans Batra has bagged bronze medal in the interstate karate.
Congratulations to Eklavya House for winning all the trophies. Congratulations to all the tutors, the housemaster, the students,
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
and to
So-
all the prize winners as well. All the prize
Yes.
winners, congratulations to you as well. Of all,
Thank you,
because you
ma'am.
people
Thank
belong
you,
to
ma'am.
different
Thank
houses.
you so much, ma'am.
Not only Eklavya
Thank
House,
you.
but prize winners have been from different houses, all the 4 houses. So congratulations to all the housemasters, all the tutors, and the students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arsh, how are you feeling after getting the most coveted trophy?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm feeling very honored and delighted to get the award.
Congratulations once again. All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arsh has been the all-rounder from class 1. He's good in art, craft, say literary activities, sports, I think in all the activities. So congratulations, Arsh.
So Madhurji will be joining us very soon, and Dr. Deepak, Mr. Sanjay, my very dear colleagues, students, parents, I'm absolutely delighted to be here. I also want to acknowledge the very kind introduction that was given about me, which was not necessary, I would imagine. This program has touched me in many ways. First of all, we have a very top-ranking artist, singer, Mr. Madhu Dheer. And I'm sure many students who are excelling in singing in our school. And I was just trying to figure out how many singers of top quality we have. And I have got the list of almost 20 students. And if Mr. Madhu could hear, I would request him to, be a role model for them, an inspiration for them. Madhur, many of you may not know, the quality of his singing has been acknowledged by some of the very top people in the industry. In fact, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan finds his singing almost perfect and heart-touching. And A.R. Rahman commented once about his singing that he sings from his soul. And Salim Merchant, you know him, a magician of a great repute, commented about his singing that Madhur's quality is unique, not to be found anywhere else. So such presence of this wonderful artist, young. You heard he is a lawyer also in the video, and he is in fact popularly known as a Surila lawyer. And I was wondering if all the professions, lawyers, teachers, doctors, engineers, anybody, if we all could not become Surila, but if we can have some knowledge of Sur, probably our lives will be more humane, more compassionate, and more friendly. And the societies could also be a little more peaceful. So that is it about Madhur. Dr. Deepak, congratulations to you. You have sent out a very loud message as to what all great work is happening in your classrooms, on your fields, on your campus, and how far and wide your students and teachers and you have reached. And that is a mark, or I would say it's a hallmark of any great institution. Alcorn Public School is already a legacy school. It has proven its credentials. It has a very fine, shining, bright track record of academic and extracurricular achievements. And I'm very happy that things are moving in the right direction. Things are in fact accelerating, if I can use that word. And as you rightly complimented all these stakeholders, including the parents, students, and teachers, I join you in complimenting everybody for such a great work happening under one roof. Seemaji, you have just taken over the reins of the primary school. You have been there and you have been seeing these children grow and learn and flourish. And now you have the direct responsibility to ensure that all these good opportunities and excellence opportunities and with these opportunities available to every child is directly supervised by you. I congratulate you. I wish you all the best. I wish your team
Thank you, sir.
works with such dedication that all the, or at least the most of the achievements that Dr. Deepak has enumerated, which were so captivating. But I would like to reveal here that all those achievements, have built over the years, ever since these students joined the pre-primary school. And therefore, the foundation that they were given in the pre-primary section, further cementing and addition of values and skills that were added by the primary school, and then taking it forward and at a very mature stage in the school life cycle, they are making such a mark. And therefore, school right from the pre-primary to class 12 is a process. It is a continuum of growths and continuum of developments and continuum of a child's ability to prepare himself or herself for life. And that is what a school is meant for. And I take this opportunity once again to congratulate you for a very, very impressive show that all of you are accomplishing every day. My special thanks to Dr. Deepak for inviting me. Congratulations to all these students who have been awarded today. And Eklavya House's name has been cited several times. And therefore, the Eklavya House deserves a very special compliment. And it may be a very coincidental that it is Eklavya House, and Eklavya is himself such a wonderful character in our scriptures, that Eklavya is a symbol of determination to learn at whatever cost. And I think that metaphor is very profound, and all of us should be Eklavya in one sense, at least, that that circumstances should not overpower our desire to learn. And in today's world, if I extend that metaphor, I would go on to say that all of us have to be the self-learners. And that is why how to learn should be the skill that all of us should impart to our young students. Because in the modern world, learning to learn, self-learning, self-directed learning, control over our own thinking, and recognition of the manner in which we think, those are the skills which are going to win the day for all of us. So my heartiest congratulations to all these students and their parents, and to you, Dr. Deepak, and your very, very profound team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
very much, sir.
Your words truly inspire us, motivate us, and provoke us to explore the possibilities and help us reach new horizons every day.
Thank you. Thank you, Shweta.
Now, I would once again like to request our chief guest, Mr. Madhur Dheer, to address the audience and share his thoughts.
A very, very good morning to everybody. Good morning to Dr. Ashok Pandey, sir. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome that I received from you. Principal Dr. Brish, Manager Mr. Bhatnagar, AO Mr. Vikram, all the head staff, students and parents, a very, very, very good morning to all of you guys. And first of all, I would really like to thank the school for inviting me to such a wonderful program. I am really delighted to be a part of such an amazing cultural fest that's happening. I feel so privileged. I feel so honored to be a part of it. And the performance of the children have left me mesmerized. I know, I am running out of time. It is just that I'm at the airport. I'm so sorry. I might be asked to put the mask on, and which will make me hide my face for that particular point of time. but I'm really, really happy to be a part of such an amazing program. It actually took me to my school where we used to sing, and the Saraswati Vandana was so beautiful that I enjoyed every word and every song that the students were singing. Such a beautiful way to express your gratitude towards God, and I am really excited to look forward to the event that's happening. And if in any case I have to be away for a moment or some time, that might be because of the check-in that I'm in at the airport. This feels really difficult, but I guess being online is such a beautiful thing that we can be a part of any event or anything anytime that we want to. Um, I would really want you guys to continue with this. I am so happy and so proud. I would really would want to see the event that's happening, and we'll come back to everything, and we'll share my views and my thoughts on the event.
So may I request you to kindly enthrall the audience with your euphonious voice?
Yeah.
All right. If you understand, I'm at the airport, but I'm going to do that right away because the students and I hope you children are enjoying your school life, because that's the most important part that we have. And I am really honored to sing for you. I hope you guys listen to all the beautiful melodies that we have in this country. I would dedicate a few lines of Lata Mangeshkar ji. If you've not heard, please listen to that melodious singer that we have. And I'm going to sing few lines. हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, है आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा कभी से. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Madhur.
I'm glad.
You-
Thank you so very
You
much.
could manage it from the airport. You know, I'm so overwhelmed, touched.
I'm really happy, and I really feel happy when I see. I guess I see my childhood, and this is the best way to get back to school life. I cannot get back to school life, but I really miss it. I'm seriously saying it because when these children will grow up to our age and they will understand
Yes.
what school is actually all about.
I
So
know.
we actually learn everything that I've learned in my school, from my teachers, from my parents, and everything. So that's the budding time that I feel for every student. What I am today is because of my school.
Yeah, Madhur, you are both Madhur and Dheer.
Thank you so very much, sir. That means a lot.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you
Okay.
so very much, sir.
Shweta.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. That was really, truly captivating. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Madhur.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. I wish you have a wonderful event, and I am really honored to be a part of such an amazing event that we have. Thank you. Have a great day. All right.
Thank you, Madhur.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So we are back. Anugunj, as the name suggests, it signifies a resonance of vibrant presentations and dynamic colors at their enthusiastic best. A lot of effort has been put in by the students and staff to weave together this spectacular cultural event.
Anugunj is an annual cultural event of the primary wing. The theme for this year is Jal hai to kal hai. We all deserve to live in a world where everyone has access to clean water and sanitation. While substantial progress has been made in this regard under SDG 6, billions of people, mostly in rural areas, still lack these basic services. The ocean drives global systems that make the earth habitable for humankind. Careful management of this essential global resource is a key feature of a sustainable future under SDG 14. So, let's welcome the young students of Primary Wing to present the cultural show.
Water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. The famous lines of Samuel Taylor's poem describe the actual scenario of the world today. Water is the basic need of every life form on the earth. Our bodies are made up of 70% of water, which is why water is such an important component for us. The Vedas identify water as the very essence of spiritual sacrifice, or the first door to attain divine order.
फूलों We are in the midst of plenty, but cannot partake it. Clean fresh water is an essential ingredient for a healthy human life. But more than 1 billion people lack access to water, and about 3 billion experience water scarcity at least 1 month a year.
अरे बाबा, हम 7 नहीं 10 हैं। अरे हाँ, हम तो 10 हैं। हम तो 10 रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगीन बनाएंगे। रंगीन, पर कैसे? पानी से, क्योंकि जल ही तो जीवन है ना। पर ये जीवनदायी जल खत्म होता जा रहा है। हाँ भाई हाँ, मैंने भी पढ़ा है कि जल का स्तर बड़ी तीव्रता से कम होता जा रहा है। ओह, अरे वही तो। और जितना जल बचा है हम उसे अपने स्वार्थ और बिना कल के बारे में सोचे प्रदूषित करे जा रहे हैं। ओह, तभी तो जल को बचाना पड़ेगा। राजू, जल बचाने से याद आया, हमारे प्राकृतिक संसाधनों की महत्ता को समझते हुए तथा उनके संरक्षण और प्रबंधन के लिए सकल विकास के लक्ष्यों को बनाया गया है। ये वही लक्ष्य है ना, जिन्हें हम सबको मिलकर 2030 तक पूरा करना है। और इनमें से 2 लक्ष्य जल के संदर्भ में हैं। हाँ, बिल्कुल, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ। तो आइए प्रस्तुत है इसी पर आधारित हमारी एक छोटी सी नाटिका। अरे राजू, जरा 1 गिलास पानी तो पिला। हाँ हाँ दीदी, लाया। पानी रे पानी, तेरा रंग कैसा, जिसमें मेरा दिल लग के उससे ज्यादा। इतना क्यों चिल्ला रहा है राजू? मुझे डरा दिया ना। मैं गिर गया दीदी, इतनी जोर से ठोकर लगी। अरे अरे, सारा पानी गिर गया। पता है क्या पानी कितना कीमती है? हाँ दीदी, बड़ा कीमती है। दिल्ली में बच्चे के मलेरिया फैलाने के लिए ना। अरे चुप कर, जल कीमती है पेड़ पौधों, जानवरों, पशु पक्षियों के लिए। गर्मी में सब तरह जाते हैं पानी के लिए, अपनी प्यास बुझाने के लिए, और तो और प्यार की मछलियों के लिए भी। भैया, मछली बाहर निकलकर मर क्यों जाती है? अरे बबलू, वो इसलिए कि वो जलचर प्राणी है। वो जलचर प्राणी है। वो हम सब की तरह नाक के द्वारा ऑक्सीजन नहीं लेती। नहीं लेती। वो अपने दिल से ऑक्सीजन लेती है, वो भी पानी में घुली हुई ऑक्सीजन। वो भी पानी में घुली हुई ऑक्सीजन। अच्छा, तो पेड़ पौधों को क्यों पानी चाहिए? लो, कर लो बात। एक बात बताता हूँ, गांठ बांध लो। जल ही जीवन का आधार है, चाहे कोई भी जीव हो। चाहे कोई भी जीव हो। ठंडे ठंडे पानी से शिक शिक यो यो नहाना चाहिए। गाना आए ना आए, रैप कर लेना चाहिए। अरे ओ रैपर, पूरी रामायण सुना दी, तुझे मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी समझ नहीं आया? पानी बहाना नहीं, बचाना है। पानी बहाना नहीं, बचाना है। और हमें पानी को कैसे बचाना है, इसका रोड मैप देते हैं। सतत विकास के लक्ष्य 6 और लक्ष्य 14। सतत विकास का गोल नंबर 6 साफ पानी और स्वच्छता का लक्ष्य है। सभी के लिए साफ पानी और स्वच्छता की उपलब्धता और उसका टिकाऊ प्रबंधन सुनिश्चित करना इसका उद्देश्य है। और सतत विकास का गोल नंबर 14 पानी में जीवन का लक्ष्य है। टिकाऊ विकास के लिए महासागरों, समुद्रों और समुद्री संसाधनों का संरक्षण और उनका ठीक से उपयोग सुनिश्चित करना इसका उद्देश्य है।
इन्हीं लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने के लिए एक मिशन है, जल जीवन मिशन। तुम्हें पता है ये क्या है? क्या है? क्या है?
जल जीवन मिशन सरकार की एक स्कीम है जिसके माध्यम से 6 करोड़ घरों में पानी पहुंचाया जाएगा और ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों के सार्वजनिक स्थानों पर जल कनेक्शन लगाए जाएंगे।
6 करोड़ घरों में?
हाँ। एक अच्छी खबर दूं? अभी तक 18% ग्रामीण इलाकों में पानी के कनेक्शन दिए जा चुके हैं।
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
इस मिशन के अनुसार भारत सरकार का लक्ष्य है कि साल 2024 तक हर घर में साफ पीने लायक पानी पहुंचाया जाए। जल शक्ति मंत्रालय द्वारा इस मिशन का कार्य संभाला जा रहा है। हाँ, और ये बहुत जरूरी भी है क्योंकि हमारे देश में लगभग आधी आबादी ऐसी है जहां जल की पूर्ति में नहीं हो पाती है और ऐसे में जल जीवन मिशन से इन परिवारों को अवश्य ही लाभ पहुंचेगा।
सदा हमें समझाए नानी, नहीं व्यर्थ बहाओ पानी,
नहीं व्यर्थ बहाओ पानी।
हुआ समाप्त अगर धरा से मिट जाएगी ये जिंदगानी,
मिट जाएगी ये जिंदगानी।
नहीं उगेगा दाना दुन का, हो जाएंगे खेत वीरान,
हो जाएंगे खेत वीरान।
उपजाऊ जो लगती धरती बन जाएगी रेगिस्तान,
बन जाएगी रेगिस्तान। हरी भरी जहाँ होती धरती वहीं आते बादल उपकारी,
वहीं आते बादल उपकारी।
खूब
गरजते खूब चमकते और करते वर्षा भारी,
और करते वर्षा भारी।
हरा भरा रखो इस जग को, वृक्ष तुम खूब लगाओ,
वृक्ष तुम खूब लगाओ।
पानी है अनमोल रतन, तुम एक बूंद बचाओ,
पानी है अनमोल रतन, तुम एक बूंद बचाओ, तुम एक बूंद बचाओ, तुम एक बूंद बचाओ,
तुम एक
बूंद बचाओ। धन्यवाद।
We have so much to thank the oceans for, as they provide over 97% of the world's water supply and over 70% of the oxygen we breathe. The effect of water pollution is more on aquatic life because their existence solely depends on water, and the impact of disturbed ecosystem is maximum on them.
जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल। धरा न कल हो मारुथल, संभल जरे अब पागल पागल। जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल। सागर सागर पहरा दे, गागर गागर पहरा दे। बूंद बूंद पर पहरा दे, बादल बादल पहरा दे। नदी है प्यासी, घड़ा है प्यासा। नदी है प्यासी, घड़ा है प्यासा। मर ना जाए कल, अरे पागल। जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल। सांसों का और बूंदों का, दोनों का बल एक सा। दोनों जीवन बांटते, दोनों का फल एक सा। बूंदों को भी सांसों जैसी, बूंदों को भी सांसों जैसी मान के चल, अरे समझ ले पागल। जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल, जलना जाए जल।
Not only from birth to death I need you. Even after death, I need you to submerge my ashes. Oh rivers, you must flow.
सूख रहा है जल, बिन जलना है कल। सूख रहा है जल, बिन जलना है कल। कैसे तेरा कर्ज चुकाएंगे, नदियाँ मिलके तुझको बचाएंगे। हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया, हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया। आंखें खोल ले जग ले अब, जल है जीवन जल है रब। आंखें खोल ले जग ले अब, जल है जीवन जल है रब। आंखें खोल ले जग ले अब, जल है जीवन जल है रब।
कैसे तेरा कर्ज चुकाएंगे, नदियाँ मिलके तुझको बचाएंगे। हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया, हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया।
We humans have damned you, jammed you, and dug holes into you. Allow me to nourish you.
ऐ इंसान ये क्या कर डाला, माँ गंगा को कर दिया काला।
बंजर ना हो जाए माटी, आ ढूंढे चल इसका हल। तू जल खल खल बहती नदिया, तू जल खल खल बहती नदिया। जीवन बन बन साथ तू सदिया,
जीवन बन बन साथ तू सदियाँ।
हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया, हो नदी हाँ नदी, हो नदी नदिया।
Oh rivers, we can never pay back the debt for all that you have done to us. Let me at least pay a small interest towards your well-being.
जय जय गंगे, नमामि गंगे। नहीं रुकेंगे हम, स्वच्छ करेंगे। जय जय गंगे नमामि गंगे नहीं रुकेंगे हम स्वच्छ करेंगे जय जय गंगे नमामि गंगे नहीं रुकेंगे हम स्वच्छ करेंगे तू युग युग से बहती आई तूने ही हमको पाला है तेरी उंगली पकड़ चलना सीखा जीवन तूने ही संभाला है तेरा कर्ज चुकाना है हमको कर्तव्य निभाना है हमको जय जय गंगे नमामि गंगे हम स्वच्छ करेंगे कर्तव्य गंगे स्वच्छ करेंगे नहीं रुकेंगे हम स्वच्छ करेंगे
जल केवल जल नहीं, अमृत है। जीवन के 5 तत्वों में सर्वोपरि जल ही जीवन के अगले सूर्योदय को देखने के लिए जीवन देता है। जल बचाने का संकल्प हमारी पहली प्राथमिकता होनी चाहिए। पानी का नहीं है कोई विकल्प, इसे बचाने का आओ हम लें संकल्प।
Indeed, it was a splendid performance by the young Alconites.
The voiceover was done by Miss Seema Soni, Miss Parul Sharma, and Miss Anita Sharma. Group song was prepared by Miss Punita Mathur. Group dance by Miss Leila Sarkar and Miss Lily Bhattacharjee. And street play was prepared by Miss Pinky, Miss Parul, and Miss Parvesh. Now, may I request our headmistress, Miss Seema Soni, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of principal, staff, and students of Alcon Public School, I would thank our chief guest, Mr. Madhur Dheer, for sparing time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. It was a blessing to hear your unique and resonating voice. We hope to hear more from you in near future. I also extend my thanks to Director Alcon Schools, Dr. Ashok Pandey, for being with us. Principal, Alcon International School, Mr. Sanjay Yadav, Dr. Besht, Manager, Mr. Bhatnagar, Administrative Officer, Mr. Vikram Rawat, section heads of both the schools for their benign presence. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires a lot of planning and a bird's eye detailing. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated members who are willing workers and always ready to give their best. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. Deepak Besht, for being the catalyst to stimulate us to do our best and standing as the pillar of strength. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event successful. Our technical team, Mr. Ashish Bora, Ms. Vibha Kohli, Ms. Mridula Ranjit, and Ms. Shilpa Mishra. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for the support without which the children would not have been able to achieve excellence. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars who made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Last but not the least, a big thank to each one of you who made this annual day celebration memorable for all of us. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we will have the school song. Now we will end the meeting. Thank you all for your benign presence.
Thank you, everybody, for being the part of this event. And apologies for the technical issues.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations, Miss Bhima,
Thank
Miss
you.
Neha, Miss Sweta, Miss Biva, everybody. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Something which is beyond our control.
Yes, sir.
Technical glitch is beyond our control. It happens.
No
but
problem.
yes.
Congratulations to everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Seema, this was your first annual function as
Yes,
headmistress?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now I can see a smile on your face. Okay. All the best. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Well done, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Seema ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
Excellent
you.
program.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Seema.